Hey guys, I know it's been a while. Trying to get back in the swing of things. I know you guys see me in Road King's video with this product. I liked it so much when we were reviewing it that I actually had to pick one up myself. So I'm going to do a little experiment for you guys that have lawnmowers and tractors, and you know what happens after a long winter. They sit there and they discharge. So I'm going to simulate a discharge by draining the battery. And then over here I picked up a Genius Boost. I'm going to try to start the old Cub Cadet with it. So I'm just going to turn on the headlights, and I set up my voltmeter so you guys can watch the discharge. It might take 5-10 minutes or so, but we should be able to kill that battery. So let's do it. As you can see the voltage dropping already. Alright, we'll get back to you. While we discharge that battery, I'm going to show you the contents of the box. If I didn't mention it, it's the NOCO Genius Boost. The company's been around since 1914 or so. It's a US based company. I'm going to show you what's inside the box here. Really well packaged. There it is, since 1914. Got it backwards. But here's the smart charger here. Smart Boost. Genius Boost. That's a nice little foam holding it in there. Little cover on the bottom. This thing is really well made. It's got like impact resistant rubber feet on the bottom. Impact rubber, high impact rubber. Let's see what else we got in the box. Here's the cables. Really hard, heavy duty plastic. Some of this stuff over here. We got the USB charger. This is how you actually charge the thing. And it's very convenient because they also give you the 12 volt power adapter. So you can plug into any 12 volt power source or car as it's made to use for. Show you some of the features of this thing also. It's got a safety light on it. It also does flashers. In case maybe it's not your battery, you can put this in the back of your car so you don't get hit on the highway or try to flag somebody down. You're also a 12 volt out USB plug, which will come really in handy if you're stranded somewhere and your battery is dead and you need to charge your phone so you can call somebody. It has a USB plug. Most phones take a USB plug now, which comes in very, very good use. Alright, we've been discharging for some time now. As you can see, it's just around 12 volts. Let's see what it does when we try to crank it. As you can see, the meter's jumping around. Just don't have enough. It goes on about 10 volts. It can't turn it over. So we're going to hook up our Genius Boost and see what it does. Alright, so I hooked up our Genius Boost. We just got to turn it on. Oh, wrong one. I'm going to turn it on. It's actually analyzing the battery. And that little white light tells you that it needs to be boosted. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens now. There you go. This thing really works. Make sure you guys go and check out NOCO. If it's not the Genius Boost, they have a ton of other great products, and I'm sure you guys could find something you could use. Also, check out 805 Road King's video. I'm in that. We tried on this Toyota truck without any battery, and it works great. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this.